Hi, I'm Lisa Stewart. I'm the cook manager here at Westwood Elementary, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about using a lunch tray today. You start through the line and you pick it up at the milk cooler here, or right before the milk cooler, and you carry it and you grab a milk if you need one. You walk over here at the start of the line and you grab your napkin and a spoon or spork, and then you pick up your fruit, set it on the tray, and then at breakfast here we have juice, and you can take a juice if you want. As you're coming through the line, if you could turn your tray when you get to the main entree part so that the server can reach the main part of your tray, that's very helpful for us. And then you put in your lunch number and you carry your tray to the table. Then you make sure you have all of your garbage and wrappers, and you carry your tray with both hands over here to the garbage center, and you put the trash in the red, and make sure you dump all the milk and liquid juice and things in the bucket. And any food you have in the green. And then stack your tray over here on the counter.